Here I have DONGFENG Box, and let me show you how to use Follow Me Home feature, and let me explain what does this feature do. Alright, so at the very beginning, let's open the car settings. So you can open car settings just by clicking on the car right here, this blue icon. Choose the second tab, which is Light, and here you've got Follow Me Home. So here you can enable the headlights turn off delay, and you can choose of the delay. Let me choose 30 seconds, for example. And what does this feature do? This feature keeps the headlights on after you lock the car to light your path to your front door. As you can see, you can use the timer. You can choose exactly how long you want the headlights to stay on after you leave the vehicle. So let me keep this 30 seconds and let me just use this feature. In my case, it's really useful. I park that way that the car is helping me to get access to my door. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.